Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will guide you through how to install Python on Windows. Open a web browser and search for Python. Go to its official website, python.org. Under Downloads, Download for Windows, click Current Python version. Download will start. Run the installer. Select these options. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. Let's see what we are installing. Customize installation. So pip is a Python package manager. Ideally is IDE, that is integrated development environment to run Python programs. We're installing everything. Click next. Install Python for all users. Click next. And it is installed. Click close. Let's verify installation. In start menu, type cmd and open command prompt as an administrator. Type Python version. It shows we successfully installed Python with this version in the system. Now here we can type py and press enter. This is Python shell. Let's print something. And hello is printed here. Let's see ideally. Type ideally in start menu and run this program. This is ideally shell. So same here. We can run Python programs here also. So let's print here something as well. And this is the output. This ID is basic, but it allows us to save this program that we create here. To do that, save this file. demo-1.py. Save. Now file extension for this program will be .py. Now this is Python program file that we can edit and use later. And this is how we can install Python on Windows and use it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.